This is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, then at the search bar type in Opera Query. Once the needed app is found, click at the green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app. In here at first we will need to undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you are ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat. You can skip this step as well. And finally you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.